How do farms minimize fresh produce waste? Imagine walking through a farm where every piece of produce counts. It might seem impossible, but farmers use smart strategies to keep waste as low as possible. Let's explore how they do it. Farms face waste at many points: in the field, during harvest, in storage, and during transportation. Causes include strict buyer standards for appearance, pests damaging crops, poor storage conditions, and spoilage during transit. To cut waste, farms start by understanding where and why losses happen. Then they apply targeted solutions. One key method is precision agriculture. Farmers use sensors and digital tools to monitor soil moisture, nutrients, and plant health. This way, they only water, fertilize, or spray pesticides where needed. It reduces overapplication and crop damage. Automated harvesters and weeders also help. These machines work faster and gentler, minimizing crop injury. Advanced sorting machines are used to separate produce that meets market standards from fruits and vegetables that are misshapen or blemished. This way, they sell only the best, reducing waste from rejected produce. Storage improvements are vital too. Farms invest in on-site storage facilities that control temperature and humidity. Keeping produce cool and moist slows spoilage and extends freshness. This means less produce is thrown away before it can be sold. When produce doesn't meet standards, farms have options. They can store culls temporarily, turn them into organic matter, feed livestock, donate to food banks, or process into juices or dried ingredients. Each choice depends on costs, labor, and environmental impact. Efficient transportation also plays a big role. Better route planning, real-time tracking, and refrigerated trucks help keep produce fresh during transit. Shorter supply chains, like farm-to-table or farm-to-retail models, cut transit times and reduce spoilage. Some farms use innovative systems that deliver produce from harvest to consumer in less than an hour, nearly eliminating waste during transit. Advances in packaging help extend shelf life. Modified atmosphere packaging and smart labels that monitor freshness keep produce fresh longer. Natural preservatives that slow ripening are also used. These technologies open new markets for farms from consumers. Growing methods like hydroponic and vertical farming bring produce closer to cities, reducing transport time and waste. These systems often use less water and can operate in urban settings or harsh environments, adding flexibility to farmland investments. Farmers are also turning waste into new products. For example, turning culls into dried ingredients or insect protein creates additional revenue streams. Some farms participate in secondary markets or subscription services, selling directly to consumers and reducing unsold inventory. Donation programs, sometimes with tax benefits, help move surplus produce out of the farm. For farmland investors, these waste reduction strategies can boost from productivity and profitability. Farms that adopt precision tools, better storage, and efficient logistics tend to produce higher quality crops and access more markets. Using waste management and value-added processing makes operations more resilient. Sustainable practices like composting and regenerative agriculture also improve soil health and land value over time. In the end, reducing fresh produce waste is about smart planning, technology, and market thinking. Farms that do this well not only cut losses but also become more appealing and sustainable assets for investors.